Good morning, teacher and students. My name is Jenny Paola Baraja Suarez. I am going to describe the chosen image. Chicamocha National Park. The Chicamocha National Park is a theme park. Is one of the most important tourist sites in the country. We see the cable car. It is the main attraction for tourists and visitors. They can enjoy a spectacular view through the roads. We can also the monument in homage to the comuneros created by for the sculptor Luis Guillermo Vallejo. Here we see the Guanemus. We also see the soul of the handicraft and a typical food restaurant. We can also see the sign of the main tourist. You can enjoy of the attraction trucks and the skater rides, fun and many more. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.